In this tutorial, I'm going to show you ways to recover deleted Google Photos. So if you want to recover your deleted photos, then follow the simple steps. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Photos and I'm going to delete one of these photos. Let's say this is the one. Press the bin icon at the bottom, click on move to bin. Once you've deleted the photo, then you need to go to collections tab, go to bin. You can see the photo is being stored in your device or the bin section. So here you can see that backed up items will be permanently deleted after 60 days in the bin, and items that aren't backed up will be deleted after 30 days. So if you want to restore it, open up the image and click on restore. You can find this image once again into your device. Go to photos and here you can see this is the recovered ones. So this is how you could go ahead and then recover your Google Photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.